In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your design elements in Canva. This is an essential skill for anyone working on projects where you want to keep certain pieces of your design in a fixed position, making it easier to manage other components without accidentally moving or altering the locked parts. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process, ensuring that your design stays just the way you intend it to be. To start, you'll need to open your design project in Canva. Once you have your project open and ready, take a moment to identify the element you wish to secure in its place. This could be anything from a piece of text to an image or any graphic that you want to keep static. Once you've pinpointed the right element, move your cursor over it and right-click. This action is crucial as it brings up a context menu filled with various options for your selected element. Now, direct your attention to the lock option in this menu. Hover your mouse over this option. You don't need to click immediately. Hovering over it lets Canva know that you might want to explore this functionality further. The system will highlight the lock option, bringing it to your attention and making it clear that it's available for use. These small yet significant actions help ensure you're on the right track. Once you're sure about locking the element, the next move is quite simple. Just go ahead and click on the lock option. A single click is all it takes to secure your element in place, ensuring that it is now fixed on your canvas and won't shift positions or get selected accidentally while you're working on other parts of your design. Locking your design elements is especially beneficial for maintaining the integrity of your layouts, ensuring that a carefully crafted design remains intact even during subsequent edits. One important tip to bear in mind is that if you ever need to make changes to the locked elements, you'll first need to unlock them. To unlock, simply right-click on the locked element again and select Unlock from the context menu that appears. Unlocking is just as straightforward as locking, and it allows you the flexibility to adjust your designs whenever necessary. And there you have it. Locking your design elements in Canva is a straightforward process that can significantly streamline your workflow and help prevent accidental changes to your designs. Using this tool effectively will enhance your efficiency, making your design process smoother and more enjoyable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to take full control of your design elements. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful Canva tips and tutorials.